In the United States, people usually book an event hall when they host a ceremony or party so that family and friends can gather in one place. But in many other countries, that's not always the case. If you love your mom, like, comment, and subscribe. For example, in China, it's common to rent a mobile space like this truck, which transforms into a temporary event venue. Once it's fully opened and set up, it offers all the same features as a traditional event hall. It's also a very affordable option. And as you can see, the inside looks amazing.